everybody, my name is Ariana. I'm the Youth Initiative Coordinator at the Metal Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make foil enamel tiles with things you have laying around the house. So I'm going to show you everything you need and how to get started. So we're gonna make this out of cardboard and aluminum, and then we're gonna paint it because when we paint it, it is very reminiscent of a lot of the enameled work that we have at the museum. And I'm gonna link in the description some of the enameled pieces that we have in our permanent collection. Enameling is when you melt glass onto the surface of metal using a kiln, but today we are going to add color to our work using paint. So the things you're gonna need for this activity are a piece of cardboard cut into a square. You can use either side. A piece of aluminum foil that's cut just a little bigger than your cardboard. A glue stick. Your paints. You can use any type of paint. I just had these acrylics laying around. We're gonna water them down a little bit so they're more transparent. You're gonna need a Q-tip, a pen, and a hot glue gun. So the hot glue gun is the important part of this because it is what's going to create your lines. So I'm going to get out my cardboard here and I'm going to decide what I want to draw. So I like really simple designs. So I've already done this plant. So I'll do another type of plant. I'll do a couple leaves. So I'm just drawing my leaves on my tile here. Do a couple. I'll give them a couple lines. And then I might go and just add some fun little organic happy blobs. We love organic happy blobs. Like so. So now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to trace all the things that I've traced with my glue. Okay, so now that we have our design glued down, this is a good time to go cut your aluminum foil if you haven't already while you're waiting on your glue to dry. So your hot glue needs to be completely dry before you lay the aluminum over it. If not, it's gonna stick to it and it's not gonna be super awesome. So you wanna make sure that it's dry. You can fan it or you can blow on a little bit. Anything that speeds it up. Remember, your glue's hot, so you don't want to touch it until we know that it's not hot anymore. So I'm just making sure. Yep, it's fine. So I'm going to take my glue stick here and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a light go over with my glue. It doesn't need to be a lot. We're just using it to stick the aluminum on there a little bit. So now that I've done that, I'm going to lay the aluminum foil shiny side up. So aluminum foil has a matte side and a shiny side, and we want shiny. So we're going to lay it down and we're going to start to press, and we're taking our Q-tip and we're going to go over all of our lines. And all of those lines are going to start to stand out. And so we're not pushing down too hard. We're just pushing down a little bit because we don't want to punch through the aluminum foil. We just want to press it down and around our shapes. Alright, so now that we can see all of our lines of our leaves and our organic blobs or whatever you have drawn, we're just going to go press around Make sure all those flat parts are flat, and then we're gonna tuck our tin foil around like we're wrapping a present, like so. All right, so now we have our tile. Now, if you wanted to leave it like this, you could leave it like this, but I think I'm gonna get mine a little bit of color. So this is where you guys can go get any color paint you want. I think I'm gonna use like a brown, a blue, and a green. All right, so now that I've got all of my colors, I'm just going in and deciding with my paintbrush where I want everything to go. So you can see I'm watering down my paint just a little bit because I don't want it to be super, super thick. And I'm just painting in where those empty spaces are. And this paint is filling up those empty spaces. It. When that dries, you're gonna have an enameled tile. I'm gonna just go back and add some more blue. And you guys can do this as many times as you can, as many times as you want. There's no limit on your creativity. You don't even have to do nature. You can do animals, your name, portraits, anything. So I look forward to seeing what you guys are gonna make. Thank you for crafting with me.